Well, guys, today is the 6th, 2025, and I hit my $100 target trading the financial markets today. So we're gonna do a withdrawal. Every week I try to make $100 in this account here. The base capital is 150, so it's scalping like that, right? You had to have a target, you had to have a journal, you had to basically record everything you do in the financial markets, right? Because why the markets are always changing. So you had to be able to adapt with the change as well. All right, so before I go into some more information, trading the financial markets is a risky business. Always invest money that you could afford to lose in cryptocurrencies because yeah, everybody want to be profitable, but at the end of the day, you could have your stop losses hit, and I've seen it happen on many occasions, and always keep that in mind, guys. Right? So it could be profitable or it could not go in your it could not go in your favor, I should say, right? So basically, what I have offering is the training. If you guys want to learn about the financial markets, I have an introduction course, 500 TT, 6 days, 1 hour via Zoom, right? You don't have to know anything about Forex, you come with a learning mindset, and you're good to go. You just need a smartphone and a copybook and a pen, right, to start off with. So we have the training available. Most of you all saw my progress, what's happening. For persons who want to come in and participate in some copy and paste program, just getting some high probability signals. I have a signal service available as well as 800 TT for 1 month. Over 4 years experience. My work speak for itself, right? That is the simplest way I could put it. I'm not boasting, but we have seen some good results in a week, 2 weeks, a month, and stuff like that. So for more information, you can reach out to me on that. So let's get into it. I'm gonna show you some of the trades I took. I had some losses. The markets was a bit volatile and stuff like that, for the past few days. But last night had some good setups, guys. This goes to tell you that it doesn't really matter what time it is, which country you are from. The Forex market, once you see a nice setup, whether it be 6 p.m., 1 o'clock in the morning, 12 within the opening hours of the markets, you had to take the trade, right? You had to take the trade based on your confirmations and stuff. So let's showing you a little progress here, from what today that'll be like 4 to the 5th, because I had some stop losses hit too. So I will show you the Bitcoin was really, really yeah, unpredictable on the weekend. So you see a lot of stop loss hit with the Bitcoin here. On the 3rd, right? On the 4th, next stop loss hit. On the 5th, however, we had a nice profitable trade on the Bitcoin. Then we had basically Bitcoin again. Small amounts. This is where the forex trading started. It's on the 5th, we had some nice profit here. We had a loss on USD card, a small profit again, and this is where it got really interesting last night. And I want to show you guys quickly. Sometimes you might have all the confirmation. You could be how advanced you are in trading. Chart patterns, harmonics. I love harmonics. I really, really like harmonics, but it really based on the real time. I do not play greedy in the markets, guys. You make a little 20 pips, 25 pips, you call it a day, you take your profits and you go. So you can have all your confirmations, guys. The markets are always changing, right? And you had to be able to adapt and think quickly. So this is why the training is important too as well, to help you understand the markets a little better. So last night, look at it, the 27 pips TP hit. I will show you the trade and what I saw. So I'm gonna just show you quickly. It's a harmonic pattern called Gartley. It's an uptrend, and I got a perfect lineup for the Gartley, and I was really expecting about 100 and something pips, but I got in the trade about what time? About 9 or 8 or something like that, and I saw some. The market start to move a little different. But apart from that, I met my target. My target is $100 in this account, right? My base capital was 150. So I still have, when I do my withdrawal now, and this would be a live withdrawal as well. I'm gonna start back trading, and my target is gonna be 100 with this account, right? So you see what's going on here. Take profit levels. My target was hit $100, right? So what we're gonna do is just show you quickly on the charts what I saw and what happened. If I had left the trade, my stop loss would have hit, guys. I would have been a major loss there. So you had to monitor your trade. You had to basically look and see what's happening because I mean it doesn't have to go in your favor, right? So let me just show you quickly here what happened here. A perfect lineup with the uptrend and the market still melted, right? It's still melted. So trend line, nice TP hit, TP1 hit. It went a little above. And I was monitoring the trend. That's what you gotta do too if you're trading by yourself. You had to pay attention on your trades because the market could turn. People could put tight stop loss. I mean, you could put your stop loss here. You could put your stop loss here and make it tight, right? But I know exactly what I was looking for, so I give it some room to breathe based on what was happening with this particular pair. So it did went in our favor, right? This happened before I took it on the retest and I got in, guys, and I made my $100 target there and I came out. And that's what you have to do because sometimes you feel it have to go in your way. It doesn't have to go in your way, guys, right? It could hit your stop loss at any given time. So imagine if I had gone to sleep and I say, hey, you know what, I'm gonna leave the three positions open and I woke up and in a loss, right? I would have been in a loss. So just showing you here the outcome, what you do play greedy, guys, and make it target 20 pips, let it be a TP1, 25 pips, and you call it a day. It will always have other opportunities at other given time because the market does eventually change directions, right, based on real-time news and stuff. So this is just to show you that, but what we're gonna do right now is make a withdrawal. I'm going to head over to my account. I'm going to hit withdraw. I just want to show you operations history first, just to be a little transparent with you guys. We did a withdrawal on the 30th of April, right? Our next withdrawal on the 29th, 24th, and we made a deposit of 150. So with this 150, I was able to do 3 withdrawals successfully, and we're going to do a withdrawal today for $101, right? So we're going back to the account. We're gonna hit some withdraw, right? I already have my Binance information. Tether TRC20. We're gonna put the address. This is my Binance address here. From account, we're gonna put 101.00. Well, actually, that's 101. All right, so receive $100. Then I'm gonna put my Octa pin and get back to you. Make the request. Give me 1 second. Right. So I put in my Octopin and stuff and ready to do the withdrawal TRC20. That's my address. We're gonna hit submit here and view operations history. Right. As you can see, withdrawal request was made for $101. And this is consistent stuff, guys. This is what we're talking about, real performance. So here we go, guys. We're gonna just wait it out. I have my Gmail open here. I'm gonna refresh it. Right, we should get a notification anytime soon. So I'm gonna pause the video. The time right now is 10 minutes past 9 AM it is, and we're gonna see how long it takes to do that withdrawal. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Right. Right, guys, so it's literally 60 minutes past 9, just a few minutes, and you could see what happened here. Complete withdrawal with the $101 USDT. I already have a sale for it, and you could see confirm money was deposited into my Binance wallet, right? So that's what we're talking about, trading the financial markets, gaining some profits, thanking God for it because, it has stop losses too, right? So, if you want some more information, you want to get involved with this opportunity, and I never know how it could work out for you, my number is on the screen. Feel free to reach out to me for some more information.